Factorize x to the power of 8 minus y to the power of 8. X to the power of 8 we can write it as x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 2. Y to the power of 8 we can write it as y to the power of 4 whole to the power of 2. Using formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Using this formula, substitute the value of a x to the power of 4, value of b y to the power of 4. We get in place of a x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 bracket close, x to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4. You have to write x to the power of 4 y to the power of as it is. X to the power of 4 we can write it as x to the power of x square whole to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 4 we can write it as y square whole to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. This indicates formula a square minus b square. In place of a we can write x square plus b means y square bracket x square minus y square. Therefore, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 bracket